Can you catch the coronavirus from food? The truth is there is no evidence of coronavirus being transmitted through food. We don't really have any evidence that food or food packaging is a source for getting sick from COVID-19, said Benjamin Chapman, a professor and food safety specialist at North Carolina State University. But as far as we know, the disease appears to be spread from person to person through virus droplets that are spread when someone coughs or sneezes, according to the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention (CDC). While coronavirus can be spread by touching an infected surface and then touching your nose or face, mouth or eyes, that is not thought to be its primary mode of transmission, according to the CDC. Why food is low risk? There are also some factors that can make transmission of COVID-19 through food less likely, even if the virus is present on food or a food worker catches it. The food safety measures that are already in place to prevent foodborne illness, such as hand washing, cleaning surfaces, and cooking food to the high temperature, would also reduce the transmission chance of any virus through food. One of the benefits we have in the food world is we're already thinking of those things a lot. We're constantly trying to stay away from transmission of foodborne pathogens in normal, regular times, Chapman told. Another thing is the biology of the virus. It can't survive for weeks at a time on surfaces. Tips for groceries and takeout. Store-bought food. It is always a good idea, even when there is no pandemic going on, to rinse fruits and vegetables with water, and reduce levels of foodborne germs. There is no need to wash food with soap. If you are concerned about food packing, you can wash your hands after handling the packaging. If you are concerned about your food, you can cook it at 149 degrees Fahrenheit (65 degrees Celsius) for 3 minutes minimum, which will reduce the levels of any virus particles, Chapman said. Takeout. Food that comes from restaurants, hotels is really low risk because food industry workers already have an awareness about food safety. To further reduce the risk, Chapman encourages people to wash their hands after handling food packaging or takeout bags. It is also important for workers in the food industry to have good employee health policies. Food workers should stay home if they start to feel sick, even if they have not been diagnosed with COVID-19, he said.